Have you ever wanted to say what you like in English, but your mind goes completely blank? You know the feeling. You want to speak, but only one sentence comes out? I like it. Again, and again, and again.
And when someone asks, do you like it? You panic and say, yes, I like. Oof. We've all been there.
Don't worry, today's lesson will change that, forever. Welcome to English Dominator.
In this video, you'll learn simple, natural, beginner-friendly expressions to talk about your likes and dislikes in English, confidently and correctly.
By the end of this video, you won't sound like a robot anymore. You'll sound like a real English speaker. Let's start simple. The most basic structure is I like plus noun/verb ing. Examples: check mark. I like coffee. Check mark. I like music. Check mark. I like watching movies.
And for dislikes, I don't like plus noun/verb ing. Check mark. I don't like spicy food. Check mark. I don't like waking up early.
Common mistake to avoid. I like to coffee. I don't like eat vegetables.
Remember this rule. After like, don't like, use a noun or verb plus ing.
Now let's upgrade your English from basic to better. Instead of only saying, I like, try these. I really like. I love. I enjoy. Examples: I really like English. I love traveling. I enjoy reading books.
And for dislikes, I don't really like, I hate. Careful, it's strong. I'm not a fan of. Examples: I don't really like cold weather. I hate waiting in long lines. I'm not a fan of horror movies.
Student tip: use hate carefully. It's okay with things, but avoid using it with people. Let's see how this works in real conversations.
Hey Sarah, do you like coffee?
Yes, I really like coffee, especially in the morning.
Nice. What about tea?
I'm not a big fan of tea.
Perfect. Natural, simple, real.
Notice something? We don't give one-word answers. We add a small reason. This is where your English becomes powerful. Because plus reason. Examples: I like English because it helps me connect with people. I don't like fast food because it's unhealthy. I love music because it relaxes me.
Even one small reason makes your English sound confident and fluent.
Let's fix some very common mistakes. I like very much football. I like football very much. I am like pizza. I like pizza. I don't like to watching movies. I don't like watching movies.
Small mistakes, but fixing them makes a big difference.
Now it's your turn. Complete these sentences in your head or out loud. 1. I really like because. 2. I don't really like because.
Better idea. Write your answers in the comments. We read them, we reply, and we help you improve.
Remember, speaking English is not about perfection.
It's about expression, confidence, and practice.
Start with simple sentences. Use real examples from your life.
And slowly, you'll stop thinking and start speaking.
If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe to English Dominator for daily English confidence.
And comment below one thing you love and one thing you don't like.
See you in the next video.